In this video I'm going to show you how to send reminders for a scheduled Instagram live. That's quite simple and easy, so just follow these simple steps. And first you're gonna do, once you open up your Instagram, you need to look for a profile that scheduled and live translation. So I got one. Here I see the scheduled live translation and I just tap here to get this pop-up window, and here I see the name of translation. Here I see the time when translation will begins, and I can tap on this blue button to get a remind when the translation will start. Also, you will get a remind in 15 minutes before live and in 24 hours before live starts. Let's tap here. And now I can enable notifications for live videos. For that I tap on update settings, and here I need to select this one option to get notifications. Then go back, let's check, let's do this again, and I see that a reminder for this live is on. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.